Hello, hello, friends. Very late with this. This was Trinity Stamps holiday release. This has been out for a hot minute. It came out in October, I think. I'm honestly not even sure. Things got to me later. One thing after another. Anyway, I still wanted to do a release and review and just go through what Trinity Stamps has released. So many good things, all the fun stuff. As always, disclaimer, this was sent to me. I don't have to do these release and reviews. I just like doing them. It's always fun to see the products, and I like digging through and getting ideas and all that fun stuff. So we've got stamps and coordinating dies, standalone dies, some fabulous hot foil, some accessories and bling, all the fun things. So let's just dive right into it. So first off, we've got this Sparkle Season stamp set. This is really unique. I've never seen anything like this. I like these gems. As soon as I saw this, I was like, this is the exact one that I would do heat emboss this onto black cardstock and then use the metallic watercolors. Like I did a video just like that a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, whenever. And I was like, this is perfect for that, you know, or just stamp and heat emboss and use like sparkly watercolor, like mix some sparkle with some watercolor. That would look really, really pretty. So really fun, like just kind of unique, you know, and then a bunch of little buildable sentiments, even some little individual gems. I just think it's a pretty little set. There's coordinating wafer dies for this. And there's also there is a die for the tree, like a closer cut, and then there's actually an outline as well. I kind of like that. So you could use the outline to die cut and like kind of inlay this. Ideas. I just noticed that now. Well, that's fun. I like that was included. Just a little extra something. So we got that one. And then this one's really cute. Oh, this is so adorable. This is the Frosty Cafe. How cute is this? This is so cute. And is this an A2? Well, this is an envelope, but yeah, to give you an idea, like it's A2 sized. Let me grab an actual piece of A2 cardstock so you guys can see what I mean here. So this would take up your A2 card, you know? So yeah, that's so cute. Cold brew coffee, shiver shake, snowman snacks, icicled sweet tea, polar popsicle. That's really cute. Love it. How adorable is that? And then the coordinating wafer die, it cuts out like everything, which I really like, you know, so you could do a cute little background and stick that over and still see the background through it. That's adorable. Love it. So got that one. This one, again, so many like really kind of unique. This one is Deck the Farm. Love it. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Deck the Halls Farm. Merry Christmas, y'all. And he's on his little tractor. How cute. Seriously. Coordinating wafer dies. They also cut out the sentiments, which I love. And this is another one that will this is your A2 card. Bloody cute. I love it. So that one. And then this one is the Polar Party. So you got this cute little dancing polar bear and the penguins and just, yeah, again, cute and unique. I love it. There's coordinating wafer dies for these guys. Love. Absolutely love. It's so adorable. And then we got this guy. This is Baking Spirits Bright. So you got your little gnome and all his baking gear, Christmas spice, everything nice. Baking Spirits Bright. Obviously, so perfect to add to like tags, things like that. If you're giving baking, I think that's so cute. I absolutely love it. It's just adorable. So that one. And then this one is the Sweet Angel. So you got this cute little angel, a couple little individual stars. There's coordinating wafer die. Just really adorable. Love her hair. So cute. Such a cute little image. So we got that one. And then we have this one. This is the Simply Sentimental. So you've got several different versions of holidays. And I love that. I like Like, I like variety, but I also love things like just one word, but in multiple styles, because it just depends on what you're using it with. Like, you're going more classic, more fun, more, you know, Oh, and even like that one. And then buildable sentiments. You know, may your holidays be merry and bright, wishing you happy holidays, you know. So there's the stamp set, and then the coordinating die set is also technically a standalone because it has the words, again, in all the different styles, and then it has the outlines. So you can use the outlines with the stamps, but they also work for this. So, live. So, yeah, love that. Love that. So that's that one. And then we're getting into some of the standalone dies. We have this ornament shaker wafer die. So you got perfect little round shaker that you can use for your frame. You got some little greenery you can add to it. The little topper, cute little bow. The topper even impresses some detail into it. Just really cute. And it's another one that's like the focus of the card. So we've got the ornament shaker. This one's really cute. This is the polar bear pair. And again, you got your mama polar bear and your baby. And then like their scarves, love. And then the little elements to add like their noses and stuff. I like that this is like a solid wafer die rather than, you know, because I would lose those tiny little pieces. I try very hard not to, but that just makes my life easier. I like that. And again, this is like, this one will fill up your card, you know? So love that. A couple of frame sets. We have the Dainty Scallop rectangles all the way up to A2 size. And then there's the Dainty Scallop circle. And the circle is, the biggest one is big. It's even bigger than A2 size. So you got those two like basics just for nice like framing and whatnot. And then this one, I was so excited to get this because I had it in my cart. Like I was going to order it. I was actually going to order a lot of this. This is the Santa mug wafer die set. How cute is this? Seriously? There's a little Santa face. You got like snowflake and holly and a little gingerbread man, your whipped cream, all the fun things. Like, I don't know. Again, I don't know what it is. Coffee themed things. I'm like, yes. Can never have too many snowflakes. Can never have too much bling. Can never have too many coffee themed craft items. Welcome to my world. Anyway. Love it. I just think it's so cute. So cute. So there's that. And then this one is the snow globe card. This is a big wafer die. This creates a snow globe shaped card, which is super fun. Wonder if, oh yeah, it'll fit in an A2 envelope. The wafer die itself is big. Will it fit on a standard plate? Yes. Okay, so you don't need a big machine or, you know, anything like that. This will work on your standard size. Like that's a Spellbinders Platinum 6 die plate. And this will fit on there. And then it will create an A2, like what will fit in an A2 envelope. And then you can create a snow globe shaped card. How cute is this? Love it. And all the dies will pop out. So you can create your background. You got a little house, a tree, etc. Like just love it. Love the creativity and like things that I would never think. Like this is why I create with the stuff other people design. Because I never would have thought of that. So that's the snow globe card die set. And then we've got some fabulous hot foil plates. This one is just, oh, this is the foiled pine cut and foil die set. Again, full size, nerve. It does have the coordinating wafer die, which I really like because it's like, ooh, one, because I like having coordinating wafer dies now with all the hot foil plates because then I don't have to worry so much about, you know, making sure I get it straight on my card and, you know, it comes out and I did it crooked, things like that. It's like I can just foil it, not stress, die cut it, go on. So this one I was like, ooh, this would be fun if you foiled it, just like onto green cardstock or foiled it and then ink blended with some green or whatever. And you could add some bling and decorate it. How cute would that be? Seriously. So that one. Then we have the winter tree. And same idea, you've got the tree that you can foil, and then there is an outline wafer die to die cut that as well. Lerv. Really pretty. And same thing, you could like decorate this. You know, use it more as like almost like a outdoor snowy scene, but like add some bling to make it look like it's got little Christmas lights in it. I think that would look really cute. So that one. Then we have the Ornament Trio cut and foil die set. And this one comes with the circle wafer dies. So you can die cut. And I was like, ooh, that'd be fun to like die cut like pattern paper, you know? And you could just use that to decorate the little Christmas baubles. I thought that was really cute. And yeah, there is an outline wafer die that will die cut this whole little section after you've hot foiled it. Love. And again, it will fill your A2 card, you know, so then you could just add a sentiment and you're done. So we got that one. And then we have the big bows and little bows hot foil plates, and then also the strip, so you can make a gift, you know, doop doop, and then add a bow, add a sentiment. How cute. Seriously, how cute. And the smaller ones would be great for tags and stuff too. You know, you could add your ribbon, your faux ribbon, or even real ribbon, add a little hot foil bow. Really cute. And then this one I was super excited about, except I would use it this way. This is the Falling Snow hot foil stamp. Love. It's like backgrounds galore, and to foil it. Love. Love. Yeah. So many ideas. Okay. So got that. She sent me some more of these. These are the transparent sparkle enamel dots and the glossy holographic enamel dots, because I'm positive I mentioned, I think it was in my last release review, because I hoard these so bad. So I was like, oh, if I have extras, I might actually use them. The hollow ones are trippy. The way they just like reflect. I don't know. I can just sit here and be like, ooh, pretty. So there's those. Trinity Stamps has little foam strips, which I'm really happy about, because I don't know, maybe someone could correct me if I'm wrong. I haven't been able to find the Doris ones now for a hot minute. I don't know if they make them anymore. I have a backup, because a lovely subscriber years ago sent me like a bunch of the little Doris foam strips. So I have tons, thankfully. Because they're just convenient. These ones are a little more, I'll call them heavy duty than the Doris ones. But yeah, I love little foam strips like this. They're so convenient for like sentiment strips and for shakers, because I don't have to trim anything down. You know, just peel off the back and go zoop, and you're done. So these come as a pack of like 2 little panels of these foam strips. Love. So got those. And then there are 4 new sets of bling. Stick those there. I kept this. Thankfully, it was packaged in this. When the package showed up, it had been knocked around quite a bit, but thankfully these were inside this bag, so it didn't go everywhere. But I kept the bag because look at it. I was like, this is like such a fun mix, because it was everything plus these, which I'll get to in a second. But I was like, ooh, idea for a flat shaker. So yeah, we've got the gold dots, embellishments, shimmer and shine, black dots, and silver dots. And these are quite popular. Many brands are doing them, and I love them. So we've got gold, iridescent, black, silver, and these ones are completely flat. They don't have that little raised edge like regular like confetti or sequins. So these are just extra nice for like flat shakers, any shakers really. I used the gold ones just in a recent Trinity video, and yeah, they're just fun. They're just fun, you know. And then these, I'm not sure if these have been restocked yet. If you guys want, I will update my social media when they are restocked. These are the Oh My Stars and Gold Star bling from Trinity. This is more than one pack. I've put them in larger containers. because she sent me a couple more because I was like, I'm starting to run out and it's causing me anxiety. I'm actually not kidding. I've been trying to get more because these are my favorite. Again, you guys have seen me use these in videos and I love them. Like, I will most likely get even more. I'll end up having like huge containers. I don't care. One container is enough for tons of people. You know, you don't need tons, but these are just some of my faves and I love them. I love them, love them. Use them on backgrounds. I like adding them to things. I used these ones a ton and then I realized I have had these for the longest time, the gold ones, and they're beautiful. They're just beautiful. It's all beautiful. It makes me happy. Do I need more bling? No, I'm not joking when I say I have multiple lifetimes worth. And I'm going to keep adding to that. So anyway, that is the release and review in a nutshell. Like I always do, I will have links below to my website. On the website, it'll be picture links to everything, so it's easier to navigate. And then, of course, I'll have links directly below the video, links to my social media, all that stuff. And then, yeah, as always, thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. I very, very much appreciate it. And thumbs upping and commenting, that always helps tons. Like, it really helps. It helps me, it helps you guys, because it tells those robot overlords that, you know, you guys are liking the crafty content, liking what you see. Hopefully that means you'll see more of it when you like and comment and all that stuff. And then, yeah, subscribe if you haven't. And I'll be back very soon with videos. I'm completely overwhelmed. I can't believe we're almost at the end of November. I have so many more Christmas cards to make. So just stay tuned. I have tons of content coming. This just makes me happy. All these fun things. So yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Bye.